Hi, my name is Sumit Kabir. I'm founder and CEO of CropNow. CropNow is a startup from Bangalore where we are developing smart farm monitoring and management systems for agriculture. And why I started CropNow is when I was joining engineering in year 2023, I lost my grandmother in Jan 31st. So that day, I found out that my grandmother was a farmer 40 years ago. But what I saw is that my grandmother was facing a lot of challenges and she was struggling. She was working as maid, she was working as cook. This phase is what I saw. I didn't saw her as a landlord. Why my grandmother gave up was a question. And when I came day one of my engineering, I was asking the same question to the people after my introduction in the class at where your grandparents farmers, and 95% or like majority of people told yes, their grandparents were farmers but they're not following it. Their grandparents also gave up. Why actually they gave up was my question. And I was doing more research and I found out multiple cases. One case is Ramesh Kahmankar. Ramesh Kahmankar drank a pesticide bottle in the farm where he grows food for us. So why actually farmers are giving up? They are not getting return of investment. They are not getting the returns and productivity of crop where they are investing time, investing money. They are not able to pay back the loans. So farmers are giving up just because of this. And I found out what are the problems basically which 40 years ago was there, why my grandmother gave up. One was water management, one was labor handling, and their market challenges were there at that time. And that problems are still existing and the problems are going in worse direction right now. So India is world's third largest water stressed country. India uses 1123 billion cubic meter of water every year. In this, 85% of fresh water is utilized for agriculture, and we see the rejection in this is nearly 65%. Only 15% of water is effectively used or efficiently used because we don't have proper irrigation advisory, or we don't use irrigation in effective way. So not only that, high unavailability of laborers and uh, what we say, a high cost of labors and risk detection, late understanding about the problem, unpredictable weather, and market challenges are the problems which farmers are facing right now. And to to see that, I also went nearly, like I met nearly 300 plus farmers in our South India and then North India. A few places I have visited, and I had opportunity to visit Taiwan as well, where in Taiwan I saw that their farmers are already using technology like this, and they are seeing benefits in growth of crops, and they are handling resources by monitoring things, but they don't have something which we are creating. I'll explain in further slides. So what I understood when I did this research is that, for example, we have Umesh here and Suresh. Both are farmers. Both farmers have different crops and different type of soil, but they're neighbors. So what we see that we will say that this already our satellites do this, already our many news channels give you those insights that what today is going to happen. They give insights on weather, our weather forecasting work. But Ramesh and Suresh are sorry, Umesh and Suresh are different farmers, and they have different crops, they have different type of soil in their farm. They don't need anything which is generalized. They need something specific to their farm. He is facing different problems and he is facing different problems specific to their farm, solving their problems. They want a mentor or advisor. So that is what I understood, and then I framed a concept, finding an answer for that. That is Nest. Nest is a smart farm, solar powered and AI powered machine, which hardware we are going to place in the farm. No external energy or electricity is needed to be given, just it is running by solar power. So it is having three type of sensors. One is microclimate sensor, and then one is ambient sensor, and then one is soil sensors. So this collect different type of parameters from the environment, and this helps in doing environmental management in the farm. So This data helps us to predict problems before it comes. And I'll also drive you with the progress which we had. So first we started from the prototype and then MVP and product market fit, and right now we are in stage of pre-product development, and our product is developed and right now is in trial in the farms. So our system, sensing and electromechanical system, nearly 55%. We have sensors and we have hardware and PCB, our own build up PCB right now, as we have already finished 2-3 phases of the development. So we have this time implemented our own PCB design. So 55% of sensing and electromechanical system, and then software and intelligent platform like AI and production models or ML model utilized, the firmware which we have used for connecting the device to the cloud, and the cloud management and cloud platform, everything is nearly 45%. And what makes us different? We are developing something called as FIS, Farm Intelligence System, which is helping us do preventive care and risk management. This is what farmers or people who are already developing similar kind of products are not closing the loop. They monitor the data, they show the data, but they don't say what to do next. But few right now give suggestions, but that is not that perfect. But what we do is different, that we help farmers to predict problems and do preventive care before problem comes. We help them to do risk management. So not only this, we try to help them in advisory in irrigation. For example, now we had heavy rain and there is huge moisture content in soil. There are some kind of risk which are attracted to crop, which are attracted towards the soil. Those risks we will show, and very generalized prescription we give them to do preventive care at this moment, so that they don't face that challenge after 6 days. So they don't face those risks coming towards them. Few pests will be attracted at that condition. So to how to be careful with that pest, we recommend them a solution, what to do. Like for example, we can give them something related to bio fertilizer, or we can ask them to do something, is that we don't want them to irrigate till 2 days because there is sufficient water, and try to maintain things in farm in different ways is what we will be suggesting them. And rethinking agriculture. So 87% of small farmers are in Asia Pacific, and this farmers grow around 80% of food which we consume now. So what we people are doing are innovating for big farms. Now Indian startups are also there which are supplying things to foreign companies, or supplying things to foreign farmers, but they are not focusing on Indian farmers. Few are there, but again, we see that what is our marketing strategy, that we are getting this technology affordable because our competitors are building something which is costing around 1,37,000 rupees, but it is not that advanced which we are doing. We have a same build quality or better build quality with very good features in less cost. So we have huge audiences who will pay less, to whom we can give this product, is what our thing. And there are few agencies who need help of farmers, so those agencies will be purchasing this product from us and supplying support to farmers, so that farmers produce very good outcome and then give it to these users so that they make their products out. And yeah, we validated this technology with our MVP in GKVK, University of Agriculture Science in Bangalore, and we saw that nearly 40% of water saved and nearly 70% of pesticide use and chemical usage was reduced, and 20 to 30% yield increase in the duration where we when we validated there. And we can optimize our system to 70 plus crops, which are like for example, now tomato has near families which AI models can be built soon later once we validate the tomato. So 70 plus crops is where we can focus with the system, which includes vegetables, fruits, and then grains, spices. And farmer income can be increased up to 25%. Maintenance cost will be reduced nearly 67%, and creating employment in hub. So particular hub where we will be having this system, we will be able to create employment there. And we are also focused on SDG goals like zero hunger, clean water, responsible production, and climate action. By using this product for 1 acre, we'll be able to reduce nearly 25% of carbon emission, which will be supporting 2 BHK house to be powered up for 20 days. Yeah, what I'm looking forward from IIIT Hyderabad is right now we have developed the product, and I think there is huge refinement to be done. There is always a scope of improvement in a product or technology which anyone is developing, and we have to improvise our AML because there is a huge research or data needed for making technology more efficient. So the technology which we are developing also is doing improvement day by day with the progress of phase, which we are phase by phase we are developing the product. And we always looking forward for advisory and mentoring, because this is the time where I can learn more. And institutes or organizations like IIIT or the incubation center there really will help me to build this product. And at this stage, we moving forward for market, so go to market strategy and how I should place this product in sectors is what again I will be looking forward for the guidance. And yes, so access for the innovation hub, people where I can partner up, where I can learn more, and where I can execute this technology is what I am looking forward from IIIT support. So the key milestones which I have achieved, the technology which we are developing before it comes to market, it has been awarded by President of Taiwan for best digital innovation towards the sustainability goals is what I visited Taiwan in December 2025, and had privilege to meet President of Taiwan and present in front of the entire governance of Taiwan, and seek guidance from them as well. And then we are awarded by Pusakrushi Grant and under Raftar, New Delhi, and then we are also winners of grassroots challenge here in Bangalore, KTech support, and best innovation award from Indian Innovation Council. And I'm also a young innovator and entrepreneur winner of the year 2025 from the university which I graduated, Revine University, Bangalore. Yeah, so roadmap is that pilot planning and setup is what we did in April, and now we have deployed the system in May. We're looking forward to do validation and optimization, refining the system, and again scaling and partnership in July and September. And we are also going to develop one more model, one more phase, which is like going to be product phase, and then looking forward for go to market strategy. So I have a very good team. Team consumes more students, but there are from multiple disciplinary background. As I also recently graduated in 2025 November, I gave full time to the system was after November, and during this time I have done a lot of things. We have made 2 phases of the product, and we have achieved a lot of recognition, received grants from government agencies, government programs. And our team is consisting of people from mechanical engineering, aeronautical engineering, AI, science background, and even architecture background. So we have multiple people working under this, uh, and I am having advisors and mentors who are guiding me in different sectors for sustainability, for innovation, international relationships, and engineering and research advisory. So people from very experienced background are helping me in driving the system. So thank you.